Hey y'all, it's Day, and today I'm going to be playing with color. We are all quarantined in, and Creme Nature just dropped their new Pure Honey Hydrating Color Boost. And I love Creme Nature, and I love colors, so I had to try it out. So I have the light golden copper shade, and these are semi-permanent colors. They are non-damaging, no risk to hair at all. It's basically like a conditioner with color in it, and yeah, they're not permanent. This will actually fade out in about 4 to 6 washes according to the box. So let's get right into it. First step is shampooing, and I'm using the Pure Honey Moisturizing Shampoo for dry and dehydrated hair. I just want to do a nice cleanse and start on freshly washed hair in order for the color to penetrate in my hair and last longer without buildup blocking it from absorbing. In the next step, I hop right into coloring. So first, I towel blotted my hair dry to get all the excess water out, and this will help the color from not dripping everywhere, and it'll also keep the color rich so it's not diluted with the water. Again, this is semi-permanent color, not permanent, and this will not damage my hair at all. All I'm doing is just adding color. With that being said, you guys want to make sure that your hair is pre-lightened to get good results. So if you are doing this on your hair that's unlightened and it's virgin natural hair texture, you're really not going to see this color. You might see a little tint if the light hits it right, but you're not going to see any of this color for real. My hair was clearly blonde in the beginning, so this is going to turn my hair a good color. And this is actually my first time experimenting with semi-permanent color, with changing my hair on my own, so I really don't know what to expect. My goal here was to get a nice tint to my blonde, so I did a test patch, and instead of leaving it on for the recommended 15 minutes, I only left it on for about 5, and I got the color that I wanted. However, when I went through and did my entire head, I didn't think about this. Of course, it took much longer than 5 minutes to do it, and it processed a little longer than I wanted. So next time I do this, I will definitely apply in sections and rinse. Outside of that, applying the color was really easy. It was not messy at all like I thought it would be. The color just absorbed right into my hair, and it was a nice, easy experience. So because I left it on longer than I was supposed to, I ended up with a much redder shade than I initially wanted. So just beware with this light golden copper. It has a good red richness to it. But the good thing is it's temporary color. So I just shampooed my hair 2 times, and that bright redness faded out to this nice like orange copper color. It is not necessary to shampoo your hair after applying the color. It was just my personal preference. In fact, shampooing it right after application is going to make it fade faster. This is a semi-permanent color, guys. It is made to last 4 to 6 washes, and being that I already shampooed twice, it may only last me 2 to 4 washes, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted on how long it will last, so just look out for my recent videos. And I will say, I've washed my hair twice since filming this, and this light golden copper is still a very nice and vibrant warm shade. I've been using gentle cleansers and avoiding hot water in order to preserve it and keep it from bleeding out really fast. After deep conditioning with the Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strengthening Hair Mask, I use the Knot Away Leave-In Detangler. They do have 2 leave-ins in this collection. If you pre-lighten your hair recently, I do recommend you use the other one, which is the Breakup Damage Leave-In, but I prefer this one because it helps me with detangling. So my style choice today is, of course, the Perm Rod set. And I'm going to be using the Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream layered with the Creme of Nature's Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foaming Mousse from another collection that they have. And another thing I wanted to mention to you guys is y'all can see as I'm riding my hair, the color is not bleeding all over my hands. I was kind of worried about it staining because, again, it's a temporary color, but it didn't. And I'm really glad about that because nobody wants to have stained fingers. And I also want to reiterate again that this is semi-permanent color, and it will only show up on pre-lightened hair. If your hair is not pre-lightened, it's just going to be like a little tint to it in the light. And honestly, I recommend going to a salon for the lightening process if you're not confident in lightening yourself, because lightening process is what damages the actual hair. Just dropping this color on it is not damaging, but actually lightening your hair is where the damage is. And this is why my curl pattern got a little damaged. There are like multiple ways you can lighten your hair, but as far as going to a professional, most likely it's going to be with bleach or with developer at different volumes. Bleach is much more riskier, of course, and for years I was slowly lifting my hair with a low volume developer, but recently I wanted to get that red color I had out of my hair, and we used bleach to get that all out, and that's what happened to me. That's why my curl pattern is a little weak right now. And there's so much I could say about coloring because I've been getting it done professionally for almost 10 years, which is why I will not be lightening or lifting my hair again until it grows out some more. But definitely go to a pro for assistance, guys. I'm not a professional stylist, so I cannot do consultations via comments on what will be best for your hair. Now, as far as dropping some color on it, this was really easy, and I felt confident using this pure honey color because, again, it's just adding the color and it will wash out over time. And like I said, I do a test patch, and I recommend if you're going to try this, do a test patch so you can see what your hair is going to look like before you do your entire head. And it was really easy to use on my pre-lightened hair. So this is my final result, and see, it's just a peachy color. I was initially hoping for like my blonde to just be a little warmer, but this peachy copper color is so bomb. I love it. And they do have more colors. They have indigo blue, royal purple, fuchsia, magenta, fire red, as well as dark chocolate brown and jet silky black. Overall, I like it. I would definitely do this again. Just again, I would do it in sections so I can get this lighter color, not that deep dark color that I got in the beginning. And stay tuned for more videos to see how long this lasts and how it faded over time. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. Bye!